What's up, everybody? It's your boy Faceless AI here, and today we're talking about how to absolutely dominate YouTube with your AI-generated channel. We're not talking about a couple hundred views, we're talking about blowing up, going viral, and hitting those big numbers. And the best part is, you don't even need to show your face. We've got 5 killer tips that are gonna take your channel from zero to hero, so buckle up and get ready to learn. This is gonna be huge. First things first, we gotta talk keywords. Think of keywords like a treasure map to your video. You need the right ones to lead viewers straight to you. We're gonna use some super cool AI tools to find the hottest, most searched keywords in your niche. We're talking about the kind of keywords that get thousands of people searching every single day. Once we've got those golden keywords, we're gonna sprinkle them into your video title, description, and tags. Trust me, this is like giving your video a VIP ticket straight to the top of the search results. Boom. Okay, so we've got people clicking on your video. Now we gotta keep them hooked. Just because your channel is AI generated doesn't mean it can't be absolutely incredible. We're talking mind-blowing visuals, crazy cool animations, and voiceovers so smooth they could narrate a nature documentary. And the content? We're not just throwing anything out there. Every single video needs to be packed with value, entertainment, or both. Remember, we want people to watch the whole video, smash that like button, and subscribe for more. We're playing the YouTube game and we're playing to win. Chapter 3. Trending topics. Ride the wave to viral success. This is where things get really interesting. We're gonna hop on the back of trending topics and ride that wave straight to the top. What's everyone talking about? What's blowing up on social media? We need to know. AI tools are our best friend here. They can help us find what's hot and create killer content around those topics before they even cool down. Speed is key, people. The faster we can create and upload those videos, the more likely they are to be seen by millions. Chapter 4. Audience interaction. Turn viewers into superfans. Alright, we're getting views, we're getting likes, but we need more. We want comments, we want shares, and most importantly, we want subscribers. This is where we turn casual viewers into die-hard fans. At the end of each video, we're gonna hit them with a call to action so strong, they won't be able to resist. Like, comment, subscribe, it's the magic formula. And don't forget to engage back with your viewers. Reply to comments, show them some love, and build that community. Chapter 5. Analyze and adapt. Become a YouTube mastermind. Okay, we've launched our channel, we're creating awesome content, but the journey's not over yet. We gotta keep learning and growing. That's why we're going deep into YouTube analytics. This is our secret weapon to understanding what's working and what needs some fine-tuning. We're talking about watch time, click-through rate, audience retention, all the juicy metrics that tell us how our videos are performing. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, keep your audience engaged. And there you have it. 5 killer tips that are guaranteed to boost your AI YouTube channel to the next level. Remember, consistency is key. Keep creating amazing content, stay on top of trends, and never stop engaging with your audience. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button harder than you've ever hit a like button before. Smash that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you never miss an upload. We're dropping knowledge bombs every single week. Now go out there and create the most epic, engaging, and entertaining AI YouTube channel the world has ever seen. I believe in you. Peace out.